Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, selling today I'm coming up to you with a hair tutorial. It's basically the wet look on my type of fussy natural hair. If you're interested, please keep watching. So I just came back from the shower. My hair is super clean, fresh and moisturized. So yeah, so as you can see, my hair is already part into two, so I'm just going to gently detangle my hair so that we can have smooth hair to work with. So I'm going to be needing a hairband so that I can really have my way to work with one session before the other. I'm taking this brush, I'm just going to use it, basically cut a part, not cut, just to make a bit of part at the back so that I can know the section I'm working with. I'm going to put the other part into a bun so that we can be free to work. So I'm still going to go ahead and moisturize my hair once more with the Cantu shea butter. So I'm just going to dip in my hand into it, just take a little bit, just a bit, because I did a lot already off camera. I'm just going to rub it and then apply it into my hair. My hair is super moisturized, I feel so good, like seriously, it's so relaxing. Washing your hair before you do this wet look is very important. I'm just going to go ahead and massage so that the product can really go into my hair. So I'm going to be taking this cream of nature argan oil. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand and then rub it together so that we can have shine, so that our hair doesn't look so dull. See, go ahead once again and massage it. As you can see my face, oh, I'm feeling this. Be gently when it comes to your natural hair, right? Be gently. So guys, here the game begins. I'm going to be taking the Eco Styling Professional Setting Gel. I'm just going to take session bits of gel. I'm just going to gently rub that all over the side that I have moisturized already. I'm just going to run my finger through it. I'm going to massage it like I did with the other product before. I'm just going to massage, and once again I'm going to take my favorite hair comb. I'm just going to detangle my hair properly, gently, because my skull is super sensitive, guys. So yeah, I need to be gentle. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized. So I'm going to be taking this brush that I got from drugstore. I'm just going to go ahead and do extra smooth with it. I'm just going to detangle it once again, make it smooth so that when we are parting our hair, it's not going to be too much tangling. All right, so yeah, I'm going to start backward. I'm going to start from the back. So from the first parting that I part, it was a bit much, but don't worry, we are good. So I'm just going to put the rest into a bun so that I can really massage that one and can really apply the product. When you're doing something like this, you really need to be careful, gently. I'm going to be taking this dense brush that I got from drugstore, super dense. I'm just going to go ahead. Firstly, I'm going to apply the gel and massage it, just massage it so that the gel can easily go into every strand of the hair that I'm parting out, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead with this dense brush. I'm just going to, I hope that's the right word, dense. Yeah, dense. I'm just going to gently slick it down, brush it, slick it down, apply gel. This is what I was doing. Slick it down and apply gel, slick it down. So yeah, so as you can tell, like I said, the parting was, the session that I took was a bit much. As you can see, it's a bit raising up, but don't worry, the other part is going to cover everything. So I'm just going to do the same thing like I did at the first one. I'm just going to continue doing it until I'm done with one side. I'm going to be doing one side off camera to save time for the video. So guys, right now I'm going to be taking this brush that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to lay my edges properly. Not that much. I don't really like to lay so much edges. I'm just going to make it realistic as possible. I'm taking that Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. I'm just going to apply a bit, just a bit, not that much. We are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to take this Nivea Extra Stark. In Dutch we say stark, in English is strong. I'm just going to, is a mousse actually. I'm just going to pump a little bit on my hand, and then I'm going to apply it, just kind of smooth it back for extra strong. So yeah, and for our hair to shine, I'm still going to be taking the Argan Oil by Cream of Nature. Just going to rub it once again on top, and then I go ahead and do one side of camera. As you can see, we are pretty much good, but we can do better when the other side is done. So now we are done. I'm just trying to lay my baby hair once again because I wasn't liking the way it looks like before. So yeah, now I'm satisfied with how my edges honey. So yeah, I'm just going to put my hair, I'm taking this silky hair tie. I'm just going to tie it backward. I'm tying it on top of the hair we have on the back. I'm not tied under, if not we are not going to have that extra volume at the back. So yeah, and I'm going to be right back doing my makeup off camera. Stick around and see the finished look. Here we go, guys. How do you like this look? Was it helpful? Do you like how it looks on me? Trust me, I love this hair look, this hairstyle, this wet look. I really love it. And yeah, I hope, like I said, this video is helpful, you enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the like button and share the video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Take a chat.